What a gorgeous car, just arrived in, direct off the last owner. It is beautiful. Mercedes A200 AMG Sport CDI blue efficiency. Finished in Cirrus white with £7,840 worth of factory fitted options. Totally stunning car all the way around. 1.8 turbo diesel engine with 136 brake horsepower with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Raced in September 2012 on a 62 plate. It is fabulous all the way around, smooth to drive, great spec as I mentioned. Let's take you all the way around it. Whatever angle you look at it, it is stunning. AMG Black Edition. Great size boot, nice and clean, not been abused in any way. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel on these. All the toolkit there complete. All the loading area nice and clean, no damage on there. All down the sides, all the bodywork. No dents, scratches, scuffs, little dings. The last owner fitted these upgraded alloy wheels, which really do set the car off nicely. Good tyres all the way around. Rear privacy glass. Of course, the panoramic glass sunroof, tilt and slide. As I mentioned, the wheels are in great condition, no damage to those. Nice gloss black wheels. All across the front, nice and clean. Headlight power washers. Intelligent light system, which was a £1,400 factory options. So we do the close-up to show you, nothing to hide. Nice genuine car. Beautiful inside. Nice red stitching, just sets it off nicely. The black and red Artico leather in great condition, no damage to that. Again, the driver's door trim all in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Electric seat adjustment for the lumbar. Again, all the seats in great condition. Front sport seats. Tilt and slide panoramic sunroof. The attention to detail. Again, the red stitching across the dashboard. Pure quality. The carbon fibre dash trim and the door trims again just sets it off very nicely. A mileage of just 51,828 with full service history. That's 51,828. Low mileage for his age. Command online, which again was an option on the vehicle. It's got the surround sound system, Harman Kardon system on it. Again, that was an option on the vehicle. Just sounds absolutely terrific. Bluetooth phone connection. Reverse camera. Nice screen, all very easy to navigate around it. zoom into navigation, just all so easy. CD player, heated seats, suspension modes, drive modes. They got sport mode on there, eco, climate control, and that little wheel just controls all the menu on the dashboard for your navigation, your Bluetooth, paddle shift gear change, onboard computer, again all shown on the dashboard nice and clear. Cruise control, speed limiter, and of course the beautiful slide and tilt sunroof. And the sun blind. It really is a fabulous spec car. As I mentioned, £7,840 worth of factory fitted options in beautiful condition with just 51,000 miles. Two sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR jacked and clear. Combined miles per gallon according to Mercedes-Benz is 64.2. Can you believe it? 64.2. And cheap road tax. Absolutely stunning looking car. We did the videos to show you exactly how nice the car is, and nothing is left to chance. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve, collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, ask about home delivery. Finance available direct from ourselves. Quick and easy to apply on the website. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve this car online, come to collect it and the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. To secure this car, click and reserve 24/7 off the website or give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.